Tripura Motha. So I am reading. After that, I will request my senior colleagues, both of them will share in Bengali also, and it is in English. Press release. As highlighted on several occasions in the past by our party leadership, we would like to reiterate that we shall not form any alliance with any political party until we are given any written assurances on our core ideological demand of a permanent constitutional solution for the indigenous people of the state, that is Greater Tripura land. To date, we have not received any written proposal or assurance from any national party, and hence any speculation in the media about Tripura's alliance for the 2023 Tripura State Assembly election is entirely baseless and holds no substance. Tripura is not merely a political party. We are in a movement and will not compromise on the hopes and aspirations of millions who have supported us throughout our journey. It is a fact that in past, all the political alliance by regional parties with the national parties without any written agreement or minimum guarantee have not done any justice to the indigenous people. As the party is rapidly increasing its footprints across the state, the party leadership has decided to field candidates from all communities and religion across several SC and non-reserved seats